are you doing? Well, in this day I will make two chocolate cake. It is easy. For 12 serving, we need ingredients like flour with coconut powder, cream milk, butter, milk, vanilla extract, salt nut, grated coconut, 3 or 4 eggs, baking powder, chocolate, and powdered sugar. First, preheat oven to 160 degrees. Then in a large bowl, sift together the flour with coconut powder and baking powder set aside. Add 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract, vanilla extract, pour a cup milk in bowl and mix all ingredients. Put the mats in the oven for 40 or 50 minutes. You should care before remove the cake because it is hot. Enter the oven and remove the cake. The cake is okay. And finally, pour the chocolate cream in the cake for enjoy with friends and family or your boy and girlfriend.